we're making today?
I don't have a clue. Yeah, I do have a clue. But what is it?
What's the clue?
Some kind of bars. Ooey gooey bars.
No.
No.
You're close, though. Smiley Bars. You know why I call them Smiley Bars?
Because they make you smile.
Because it makes you smile when you eat them. This is one of the best, easiest recipes. If you're needing to throw something together and take it somewhere like really quick, and these are really good, but they're really rich, so you can't eat like a whole lot of them at a time.
Yeah, you can.
But they're good.
No. You got peanut butter chips.
Yeah. Peanut butter chips, or the recipe calls for butterscotch chips, what it calls for.
Oh, and peanut butter ones are good though.
But I don't have butterscotch, so we're using peanut butter chips, and it's half a cup.
Sweet chocolate chips.
We got milk chocolate, half a cup, chocolate chips.
Coconut.
We got a whole cup of coconut sweet.
I love coconut.
I know you do.
Heath bar.
This is what they call, it's over there where your chocolate chips and stuff are, and that is toffee bits, and it is. It's the
like a Heath bar.
Yeah, it's a Heath bar. It's been all crunched up and stuff. So that's what that is.
I wouldn't know. I have not been tasting it.
That's one of his favorite candy bars is a Heath bar.
And
so, graham cracker crumbs, a whole cup.
Whole cup.
And then we got a whole cup of chopped up
nuts.
Pecans. You can use walnuts if you want to. And then this is what makes it so rich.
Yep, condensed milk.
Sweetened condensed milk, a whole can.
That's what that tastes like.
And also in the oven right now, Milton, is a whole stick of butter.
Yep, I stuck it in there. It's getting hot.
A whole stick of butter.
I bet it's melted. Where's it? Oh, it's almost melted.
In a 9 by 13 pan.
9 by 13 pan.
And you have not WD-40'd my...
You'd think if you had a husband worth a flip, he'd grease your oven door, wouldn't you?
You think so?
That's pretty hot.
Yes, it is. That is hot. So we've got this 9 by 13 baking dish and a stick of butter, and we melted that butter.
And it's hot.
And it is hot, so don't touch that pan. And this is so easy to put together. This would be a good one for kids to do, too, because it's about that easy.
I'm a big kid.
So you're a big kid.
I'm a big kid.
We got...
Mama, can I help? What we got?
We got a whole stick of butter melted. And we got this cup of graham cracker crumbs. And we got clean hands.
Mine ain't.
You know, okay, well, you've been out with hogs. That's okay.
I wash my hands.
And all you're going to do is take these graham cracker crumbs, and you're just going to sprinkle it over this melted butter.
I think, where's my spoon?
You're not going to stir it.
No, but I'm going to eat it.
And like I said, this is a kind of like your Hello Dolly bars, but it's not. It's like a newer version of it or something. But these have been around forever. And
Careful.
It's just been one of them desserts that when you need something in a hurry, you can throw this together in a hurry, and it is so good, and it's not fattening.
No.
It's not fattening at all.
No fattening. Ain't no fat in it. Ain't got nothing but a whole stick of butter.
Hey, all in moderation.
Whole stick of butter and a bunch of chocolate.
Okay, so we sprinkled all them graham cracker crumbs over that melted butter. So now what we're going to do?
We're going to put some chips in there.
We're going to take...
Chocolate.
Let's take our peanut butter or butterscotch, whichever ones you're going to use, and we're going to sprinkle that.
I'm going to tell you something, peanut butters are good.
On top of our...
Somebody needs to tell me why peanut butter tastes so good with chocolate.
It was meant to be like me and you.
Meant to be.
You're peanut butter and I'm chocolate. And we're just meant to be.
I don't know if I'm peanut butter.
Okay, I'm sprinkling these on top of just the graham cracker crust. Just about that easy. Then we're going to take our chocolate chips, half a cup.
I need to do these.
You going to do those?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll let you. Now, don't get a whole bunch in one spot.
I'm good at this. I want you to watch. I want you to watch how this comes out here.
You are pretty good.
Just watch this. I was born in the dark, but not last night, right?
Ooh, I think you got more than half a cup there. Hey, put it all in there.
Put it all in there.
Miss Laura's one that measured it, so. You know how
That don't look like very much.
my measuring goes.
And then the last dab, you just toss
There
it in
you
there like that.
go. So we got our butterscotch, our peanut butter chips, and we got our chocolate chips in there. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put coconut.
Coconut.
And this is a whole cup of sweetened coconut.
Let's see what that coconut tastes like.
I know you love coconut pie, and you love coconut cake.
And I can eat this coconut.
And you can just eat coconut.
Because I'm just
Now there's
crazy
a
about
lot.
coconut.
You know, we got people in our family don't even like coconut. I don't know what's wrong with them. Okay, now you got your Heath, your crushed up Heath bits. Mm-hmm. Guess where that's going?
Must be gonna go in that dish.
It's going right here on top, just like that. Now you tell me how this is not going to be good.
Just give me a spoon. I'll eat it.
Now, one more thing.
Have you forgot something?
No.
You gonna put them in there? I'm putting it on top.
First, we're going to put this in here. This is a whole can. A whole can, 14 ounce, sweetened
Is it
condensed.
gonna pour in there?
I hope so. Don't make a liar.
Look how thick. Watch it.
It is. It's thick stuff now, I'm telling you.
It ain't gonna pour.
Well, let's stir it just a little bit.
I was afraid the way it looked, it wasn't gonna pour.
You think it's too thick?
You may have to warm that up in the microwave.
You ain't supposed to have to warm it up.
I know, but
It just needed to be stirred. Just needed to be stirred.
Here we go.
Okay.
Here we go. Watch it.
Now see, I was telling you.
Look at that. Just all you had to do was stir it.
All I had to do is stir it. You got to have faith in me just a little bit.
I got all kind of faith in you.
I can mess a recipe up sometimes, though. You know why? Sometimes I don't read directions. But you don't do that, do you? You always read directions.
Never. No,
So we're just pouring this whole can.
I like looking at pictures, putting stuff together.
This whole can of sweetened condensed milk over the top of this.
Every bit of it.
The whole can.
You got them chopped up as much as you want them, I guess.
Yes, I do.
That's because I'm going to chop them a little more.
I surely do. You remember when we was in the store business, there was a man that come in the store. Now, y'all, I'm not fibbing either. He would buy a can of this, and he would sit down and open it up and get a spoon.
And eat it.
And eat it.
The whole can.
I didn't understand it. Okay, you gonna put them pecans on top of all this?
I'm chopping. He was bouncing like a kangaroo when he left the store.
Was he really?
He was wired up on that sugar.
Yeah, I imagine. That's just too much for me. Okay.
Does a kangaroo bounce? Oh,
They hop.
they hop. Don't they?
Are you gonna Are you gonna do this?
He was like on a pogo stick. You want a pogo stick? You want me to do this?
You go right ahead, because they're wanting to get this done so they can see it and taste
You're supposed
it.
to just throw it together.
That's right, but you talk too much.
I know.
Now this is about a cup of crushed pecans. You can use walnuts too if you want to. Mm-mm. You really?
Well, if they're English walnuts.
Yeah.
Black walnuts.
Well, they got kind of crumbly, didn't I? I don't know if I'd put all that.
Somebody kept chopping it.
Yeah.
What was his name? What
I
was
don't know if I'd put all that.
What was his name? We gotta have a little crumbly in it.
Y'all, seriously, this is really, really good dessert.
Nah.
You know the bad thing of it is, you got to really let this cool before you can even cut it.
Well.
So, you're going to put, that's almost flour. That's almost nut flour there.
Oh, that's good stuff. See, it fills in them little bare spots.
Okay, our oven is heated at 350.
We're gonna put it all in there. There we go.
This, like I said, this is 9 by 13 baking dish here. Of course, you know, you had that melted butter in the bottom, so even at that, you know, Miss Lori, I still had to spray it just a little bit, just for my own sanity here. So now we're going to put this in the oven, and it should bake for about 30 minutes, but everybody's oven's different, so just check it probably after 20 minutes and see what it looks like.
So, was you going to ask me a question that you've never asked, that people have been wanting to ask?
What's that?
I don't know.
A question?
Mm-hmm. Ask me who my favorite singer is.
Oh,
I got a bunch of them.
You got a bunch of them. We'd be here all night.
But my all-time favorite, female singer.
Okay, well, I know that one. I think. Okay, your all-time female singer.
Is.
You want me to answer it? See if I get it right?
I know you will.
Well, I may not.
Try.
Alison Krauss.
Wrong.
Are you kidding me? Patsy Cline.
Patsy Cline.
Okay. I knew it's one or the other.
I like listening to Alison Krauss too, but Patsy Cline.
I'll let you have the honors to open the squeaky door up, put this in there.
How I can do it? That pan still hot? No. Oh! No.
No. Hey.
Listen.
Listen.
Everybody listen to the pan. We gotta do it right-handed. Listen to the door. Oh, yeah. That way nobody can steal your food.
I never thought about that.
Nobody can steal you. I can't come in here and get into it and get a spoon.
That's right.
Hot.
He ain't going to be sneaking nothing in now that oven.
No.
So who's my favorite female singer?
I don't have a clue. Can't remember.
It is Patsy Cline and Loretta Lynn.
Oh, yeah. There's nothing wrong with them.
No, I mean.
I don't know. Patsy Cline just puts me to sleep. She soothes my soul.
Does she?
But now I've got a lot of male singers I like too, but I don't necessarily like all their songs, but I like listening to Chris Stapleton.
Well, he's not an old singer. He's the new one.
I know, but
you like listening to him. He's got that old soul singing voice.
He's got a voice on him. I don't necessarily like all of his songs, but I do like listen to him sing.
So
he just done the Star Spangled Banner at the Super Bowl.
Yeah, and probably the best.
One of the best ever.
Best ever. A lot of y'all probably seen that and heard that too.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's been viewed millions of times.
So it's a cooking. Time it. I don't want to burn them. 30 minutes. Well, let's check them after 20 minutes.
I need to wind that clock. I ain't even heard it dong.
Y'all have not heard it dong, have you? Ding dong, it's not.
I'm getting my job.
You're fired.
I'm fired. I can't.
You can't wind the clock or fix the oven door.
Can't fix the oven door.
Or I'm going to trade you in.
You're going to trade me in for 230s, right?
Okay, we'll be back. When it's done, it's cooled off, we're going to cut it and we're going to look at it.
And then
we're going to taste it. All y'all can do is look at it.
Y'all Okay, this is take 2. I've done 5 of these. Take 5.
Oh, that's...
It didn't record a while ago.
You don't care though. You ate another one, huh?
I ate another one. I sat there and ate the whole. We did a big line talking. I'm gonna have this one. What are you laughing for? This is real, ain't it? Let me tell y'all something. It's good stuff.
These are the best things. But what we said a while ago, and evidently it didn't record. These are so good. The outside, the outside got kind of crunchy, but the middle's ooey and gooey, and you can taste everything in there, from the pecans to the coconut to the peanut butter chips and everything.
That ain't just one.
No, these are really delicious, y'all. Y'all seen how easy it was to put it together, and I mean, it's a really good dessert to take to a potluck, to anything that you've got to, take any food to.
Take to work.
Take to work. Yeah. Anyways,
I gotta get a drink.
We hope y'all enjoyed this video. We enjoyed making it, but it's kind of late at night. It's about bedtime, and we're eating sugar. So, anyways, we're
up to midnight now.
I wanted to show y'all this recipe for a while. Just hadn't done it, but y'all really going to enjoy it. So I hope y'all try it. And I am going to have the written recipe at the end of this video, so watch for it. And y'all can screenshot it, pause it, write it down, or whatever you need to do. And also, I'll have it down in my information box below the video with all my other information. If y'all like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Share it. If you're not getting my notifications, go back and hit that bell again.
Ring that bell.
Ring that bell. So, guys, we'll see y'all in a couple of days.
Milk.
Milk. Coffee.
Coffee. Coffee at 10 o'clock. That's what I need.